Alternate nostril breathing is a great breathing technique if you're feeling stressed or have anxiety. It helps balance the right and left side of the brain, and it's beautifully calming. When we're stressed, it can affect our blood flow to our heart. The best thing we can do for our heart health is reduce stress. For this exercise, go ahead and take your right hand. Take your index finger and your middle finger into your palm. We're going to use our thumb and our ring finger. Take your thumb to the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Hold it closed. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Hold it closed. Exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Go ahead and do that for 10 to 20 rounds and you will feel more grounded and relaxed. Namaste.